Guys, good morning. Here's another vlog, day 2. And today we have some work. We have a lot of work to do today. As you can see, we're going to be cutting the chicken. This is the chicken. Tomorrow is Christmas. This is the chicken we're going to, be slicing very soon so that we can fry it today. And we're also going to season the fish and fry it today against tomorrow so that our work will reduce because we're going to church, obviously. So we're just basically going to do everything we can today to prepare for tomorrow. So I hope you're enjoying my other vlogs and hope you're watching it. If you have not watched it, please just go back and check my videos and watch. And please, if you're a new follower to my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like my videos. Thank you very much. I love
you. They are walking. You can see Auntie there is cutting ginger. I have to get somewhere I'll capture the two of you guys.
Don't go too far.
Don't make it too long.
Making noise.
Tomorrow is the main day.
Auntie Ido is cutting ginger. Auntie get you chicken. Auntie Ido is pounding garlic, onions, and ginger for the chicken seasoning. As you can see, the chicken. See the seasonings.
You want to speak grandma in my video? Let's do it.
Okay.
Just trying our blender.
This is blend what?
It's blending as small.
You can blend smoothie now.
You don't off. It's in don't off.
You guys charge it in.
Use your power bank charger now.
No Android and this thing.
I get. No, the charger they inside.
Inside?
No, as in the pack. Where's the pack?
I don't know.
Let's bring plate to blend this one on blend. Bring plate, let's pour this one. Then bring it.
The pack is in the kitchen. Go and check for it.
They're seasoning the fish. Oh boy, it looks real good.
I am seasoning.
Let's have a look at the chef.
Wait.
Okay, see the fish. This feels good.
Yeah, no. It's okay.
This is our curry. Already added time.
I've added time. This is now curry.
Then this is garlic,
Blended.
ginger, and onion. Blended garlic, ginger, and onion. So I'm just going to align it inside the fish. And then I stir. It's okay. Are you reading?
Yes.
So I'm arranging the fish in a tray so that I can leave it outside.
To sun dry.
To sun dry, exactly. So that the sauce and the seasoning I have done will penetrate the fish and it can have a lovely taste. Capiche? That's it, guys. I have 2 trays of fishes and I'm taking it outside to sun dry. Come with me. Okay, do we have to put them now? Let's go. So I'm going to put it up here to sun dry.
So Antegechi is making. What exactly are you making?
Idiot. I want to rub it at the back of the pot so that to be very easy to wash.
She's making all this kind of.
You shake camera woman. Che, Miriam. Munachi. Where's Muna? Muna. Muna Chichi.
Munachi.
Why is she shy?
On our ball.
What's that?
Ball.
Yay, we're about to cook our chicken for tomorrow.
So then it's.
There is hunger in the land.
Sorry.
Time.
Curry.
Then garlic, ginger, and
Onion. Mixing it.
So that it's supposed to enter.
Sokos.
it's sukore. Sukosi. It's giving what it's supposed to give.
Enough curry, enough thyme, Maggi.
That's the look.
This is also good. She's cutting the goat meat. So the one chef cut. So we are going back to Antido, right?
No.
1, 3, 2, 1. So they are adding salt. Time. We're having time. It's not the time you say. The time is 1 o'clock. Time, spices. Okay. We're having curry now. We're having curry. We're having curry. So let's have a look at the chef and the food. Okay.
Chef extraordinary.
Yeah, chef.
My garlic.
This is your garlic, your ginger, and your onion blended. Time for stirring. We're stirring it up. We're stirring, and cut is a wrap. So this is the pot of chicken, and this is the pot of goat meat. So we're putting the pot of chicken on fire. So this is, I told you she's packing the listen, but she's not really important. So see the chicken now.
We're making another fire for
the goat meat.
yeah.
And it's a wrap.
So our goat meat is ready.
Let's cut.
Let's check the chicken.
Should I cut? Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry.
thank you. No, I will go put this. Destiny.
Yeah, they are fighting for me.
Hey guys, so it's Saturday and we're basically done with all we're doing this morning. As you can see, I've had my bath. I'm just in the room. I'm not bored, but I just had my bath, so like I want to compile my vlogs and make them ready to post. I'm looking all pretty and shit like that, don't you think so? So guys, I'm just here chilling and the time is, let me guess, the time is after 3. Yeah, almost getting to evening already, and we've done half of what we're supposed to do today already, and tomorrow is Christmas. So guys, hope you're enjoying my vlog and hope you're subscribing and sharing my videos. If you are not, you are sitting on a long thing, please help me subscribe, like my video, comment, and much more. Thank you guys for always coming through. Love you all. Ciao.
We're about to dunk wine.
You see, come on,
See. See, stay over.
They are drinking wine.
I'm not supposed to. Come on. What's up in there?
Drinking.
Yay, let's toast to greatness and a beautiful Christmas tomorrow.
Yeah. Christmas
Yes.
Eve. We balling.
Mom, sit down.
She sleep.
Okay.
Just like that.
Oh yeah, give me your phone.
On our way to the stream, you need to and you would like to video.